Hi everybody, welcome back to RPL Youth Service YouTube channel or IGTV. I hope you had a great day at school. I know school is done differently this year, probably a lot of you doing virtually, but I hope you're still enjoying our science lab experiment. So today I'm coming back at you with the most favorite science experiment ever. Can you guess it? Yep, you're right. We're doing a cornstarch slime. So basically, this slime is kind of different. Why do you think it's different? Because we're using glow-in-the-dark glue, which I never done it before, so it should be fun. Okay, so it doesn't matter what kind of color you like. I use this lime green, and then I have this orange too, which should be fun. And then of course you need the cornstarch. If you don't have a stay flow is kind of like a liquid starch, but if you don't have it, you can use powdered cornstarch. It's the same thing. And then of course you need water, and you need a bowl. I would suggest a plastic bowl or styrofoam bowl, so you can just toss it or you can clean it really easily. Of course, a measuring cup. In this experiment, I'm going to use all the same recipe with all 1/4 cup of everything, and then a popsicle stick to just stir. But if you don't have popsicle stick, you can use plastic spoon as well. Okay, so let's get started. So which one do you prefer? Do you like the green one or do you like the orange one? In this experiment, I'm just going to use the green one because I think it's cooler, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, I'm just going to pop it open so it's easier. Okay, so you take your measuring cup. It's only 1/4 of cup in this experiment. And then you take your popsicle stick and then you dump it on your bowl or container. That, like so. Okay, next thing is you're going to take water, same thing, pour it in your 1/4 cup of measuring cup, and then I would suggest dump it little by little to see like how much do you need, like that. It's consistency, not dump it all of them at once, just because you never know how it's going to react. That I think there's still a lump in there, so I'm going to add a little bit more. If you think you're fine, and then you don't have to add all of them. Like that. You might want to stir it a little bit. I know not a lot of us has patience, but to make experimental work, you just have to stir it really good. Like that. Oh, there's still lump in there, so just add a little bit more of water. I bet a lot of you have making all different kind of slime, from edible slime in the summer, the one that I made, or when you visit the library, we have Saturday slime. Okay, like this. So this is the right consistency. Like so, it's not too gluey and yet it's not too slimy either. So it's perfect. So that's why I said just be careful when you're adding the water. You might want to see your consistency first before you add all of the water. Okay, all right. So the next thing is we're going to use our liquid starch. Same thing. Might want to put 1/4 in here in your measuring cup, like so. Okay, and then dump it little by little and see how it works. I just dump like half of them to see how it works before I add all of them, because you never know. This one is not an Elmer's glue. Elmer's glue is a lot more like a white glue. The consistency is different. That's why I want to make sure it works before I dump it all this cornstarch. I mean the liquid starch, sorry. Oh, it looks like slime already. So I guess I want to add a little bit more of the liquid starch. Okay, it should be pretty like that. Look at that. It all mixed up perfectly. It's okay if you break the bowl. This is just for fun. so you can toss it later. Look at this, how gooey it is. Okay, so once you're done, you can take it with your hands and then knead it with your hands. It's okay, it's not gross, it's just, you know, the consistency is fun to do. See how slimy it is? The more you knead it, the better it is, the slimier it is. So see, woo, look at that. That is so much fun. You can add glitter if you want, but I will double check with your parents because I know glitter will make a lot of mess at home. See? Okay. This is it's so bright in here, but then if you're at home and then you turn off the light and it will glow in the dark, especially during nighttime. So, like so. See, if it's not stick on your hands anymore, it means that your slime is done and it's perfect for you to play. I would suggest not to play at your home. I mean, you can play outside if you want, because I know this will make a lot of mess at home. So, like so. So yeah, that is our experiment for today. As I said, you can use different kind of glue. You can use orange glue or you can use Elmer's glue if you don't have to have a glow-in-the-dark slime. This is just an example. Or you can add glitter, you can add a foam ball if you like to. Okay? So this is our experiment for today. Until next time, I hope you guys have a good week. Stay tuned with our story time and our different other kind of program like Make It Monday. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.